Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the newly launched Mamaearth Glow Oil Control Compact with vitamin C and turmeric, and this has SPF of 30 and PA+++. Now the most important thing is this is talc free, and also this is made safe certified. This is cruelty free and vegan brand, and this is supposed to give you 2x instant glow that we are about to see. Now they say that vitamin C helps to brighten up your skin, which is true, and also it has turmeric that provides you antioxidant protection. Now what they claim is this is a 12 hours long stay compact, and also this is going to provide you 12 hours of oil control. This retails for 499 rupees and you are getting 9 grams of product, which is a decent quantity. Now they do come in 4 different shades, which is a bummer. I think they should come out with some more shades. Also guys, I'm really happy that Mamaearth has come out with their makeup range that also has skincare benefits to it, which is awesome. Now every time you buy from their website, they will link your order to a tree that they're gonna plant on your behalf, and the exact geolocation, the species of the plant, everything will be sent to you. Also, Mamaearth has recently launched their official app where users can get early access to the sales and get some extra discount. Also, I have a special coupon code with them. If you use it while purchasing products from their website or from the app, you will get extra 20% off. This is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. This is just for you guys. Now let's talk about the actual compact, and they do come in this beautiful cardboard sort of a packaging, and you have to open it like that, and here you have your actual product, and this is how your actual compact looks like. Now I really liked their nude beige and white sort of a packaging. It looks really nice, clean and minimalistic, and when you open this you have a full size mirror, and also it comes with a puff. Now let's get started with the swatches, and the first shade that we have is 01 Ivory Glow. And these compacts are really smooth and they do have a decent amount of pigmentation. Next we have the shade 02 Creme Glow, and this is the lightest shade that we have in this range, and this is suitable for fair skin with warm undertone. Next we have 03 Nude Glow. The last two shades are suitable for medium to dark to dusky skin tone people. And lastly the shade we have is 04 Almond Glow. Here I'm including a close-up shot of all of the shades together so that you guys can find it helpful. Here I'm applying the shade 01 on my bare skin. I just have a little bit of moisturizer and nothing else, and you guys can see how it looks on my skin. The coverage it has is awesome, and also it looks really nice on the skin. But as this has SPF of 30 and PA+++, it's gonna give you sun protection, but also if you wanna take a picture in the flashlight or artificial light, this is gonna give you a flashback. And this is the reason why it looks a bit white in front of the camera. But overall this is perfect for everyday use in summer. Now you guys can see that I've applied the shade 01, which looks a little dark in person, but when I'm seeing in the viewfinder it looks pretty normal. And you guys can see that my skin looks matte, but it's not looking very dry. Also it has a decent amount of coverage that makes your skin look even toned, which I'm really happy about, because in summer I don't feel like using a lot of makeup on my skin. You can use a moisturizer, a primer, and then use this compact, or maybe use a blush or something like that, and you are good to go. So I'm really happy about this compact, but I wish they came out with some more shades, because in India we have a lot of diverse skin tone. Now if you look closely, you can see that my skin has a very soft subtle glow to it, and it doesn't look flat matte, so it doesn't make your skin feel dehydrated, which I really liked about this compact. And it feels so comfortable on the skin. You won't feel like you are having anything on your skin at all. And also I have tried and tested it, and then I'm creating this video. I have used it on my skin. I will include few clips right here. You can see that I've used it and I went out for 5 to 6 hours, and when I came back home my skin was not looking oily or greasy. It was not looking extremely glowy or not extremely matte. It was in between. Your skin looks like skin, which is awesome. Another thing I really liked about this particular compact is it's not extremely powdery. So when you dip your brush into it, it doesn't give you a lot of kickback, which I really liked. Now you guys can see that it looks beautiful on the skin. I have just done my brows and I have a little bit of lip balm, and this is how my skin looks like. It just evens out my skin. My skin has a little bit of glow to it, which I'm loving. Now you can use it on its own, you can use it on top of your foundation or concealer. It sits beautifully and it stays on you for 7 to 8 hours, and when it fades away evenly and it doesn't leave any patch on your skin, which I really liked. And also it has skincare ingredients, so I'm not really bothered about applying it for 7 to 8 hours straight. Now I haven't tried it for 12 hours straight because I don't really wear makeup for that longer period of time, but for 7 to 8 hours it easily stays on you. It looks very nice and natural on the skin, and it fades out really evenly, so that's not a problem. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified and you don't miss out on anything. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. All of the product details and links are mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.